Hi guys, it's me again. I hope you guys are still good, you're still safe, and I'm sure many of people are not really happy about this lockdown extension. So I myself, I've stopped counting literally. Okay, today I don't really have much to say, but I really have something like a short piece rather. Okay, so we're still on the matters of the heart matters. Well, from my understanding is love is a precious thing from God. So my question is, why do we always abuse it, or abuse the people that we love, or hurt the people that we love? That's love for you. So that's one of the things that I want to say. And also, firstly, I can say, you know, you can lose. Okay, let me rephrase. Sometimes you don't really have to lie. You don't really have to cheat or do something bad to your partner to lose your woman, you know. Let me just use a girl. To use a girl, right? Sometimes it's all about, you will lose your girl because there is lack of communication, there is disrespect in the relationship, you're disrespecting your girl, and you're not giving your partner attention. You know, like, as girls, like, let me just speak for myself. I love attention, like, I love undivided attention, to be precise. But then if you don't, most of the times you can lose your girl because of the things that you don't do, not the things that you do. You can lie, cheat, do whatever, bait hair, but then you can lose your girl over disrespect, lack of communication and attention. We need to take note of that. It's very essential. People normally, a lot of people ignore it, but then it happens, and then they will tell you, "Ish, we broke up because, man, there was no vibe." Because the other partner was not participating, was not meeting you halfway, was not meeting your needs, your expectations. You understand? So we need to really put that in mind. And also, guys, I don't know, I can't stress this enough. We really need to communicate as often as we can to our partners, especially now during this lockdown. Like, if you're not communicating with me, who are you talking to? Because I'm supposed to be your second priority. Well, for me, I want to be the second because I feel like his career, dreams, whatever, those are his first priority. I want to be his second because he needs to build his empire. He's got his own things but then just put me, make me a priority. Don't remove me as a priority, or don't even put me a priority at all. So yeah, today I don't really have much to say. And also, yes, in this love matters thing, it's not always about a boyfriend and a girlfriend, a wife and husband. Heart matters of the heart. We're dealing with love as well. So I feel like now I'm going to go to the next topic that I've been thinking about the love of a father. I'll start with the love of a father. There are a lot of people who have never experienced the love of a father, a girl and a boy, whoever, who didn't get a chance to bond with their dads and whatnot. So that would be my next topic. I feel like fatherlessness is just out there. A lot of people are having, you know, those are deep things, but then that's what I want to share with you on my next video, and I hope you guys will like it. For now, I am heading out. Bye.